The 2026 Toyota Bajaj presents a unique blend of compact utility, rugged character, and practical mobility, aimed at users who value simplicity and durability over luxury. It reflects a design philosophy focused on function, affordability, and everyday usability. From the front, the Toyota Bajaj carries a bold and straightforward appearance. The upright stance, round headlights, and flat grille give it a classic utility vehicle look that feels purposeful rather than decorative. Its compact size makes it ideal for narrow roads, crowded urban areas, and rural paths alike. Despite being small, it maintains a confident road presence thanks to its high ground clearance and wide stance. The body design emphasizes durability, with simple panels and minimal styling elements. This approach not only reduces repair costs but also enhances its appeal as a work-oriented vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj is expected to feature a small displacement, fuel-efficient engine tuned for reliability. Power delivery focuses more on steady performance than outright speed. Acceleration is modest, but the vehicle feels responsive enough for daily driving and light hauling. It performs best at consistent speeds, especially in city and suburban conditions. One of the strongest aspects of the Toyota Bajaj is its fuel efficiency. The lightweight structure and efficient engine setup make it an economical choice for long-term ownership. The suspension setup is tuned for rough surfaces, allowing it to handle uneven roads with confidence. Potholes, gravel, and dirt tracks are managed better than most compact vehicles. Steering feels light and manageable, which helps reduce driver fatigue in traffic-heavy environments. The turning radius is small, making tight maneuvers easy. Inside, the cabin is simple and functional. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with clearly labeled controls and minimal distractions. Materials used in the interior prioritize durability over softness. Hard plastics dominate, but they are easy to clean and well suited for daily wear and tear. Seating is upright and supportive, offering good visibility of the road ahead. The driving position feels natural, especially for users accustomed to utility vehicles. Passenger space is limited but adequate for short to medium journeys. The focus remains on practicality rather than spacious comfort. The rear area is designed for versatility, capable of carrying small cargo loads or daily essentials. This makes it useful for small businesses and delivery tasks. Noise insulation is basic, with some engine and road noise entering the cabin. However, this feels acceptable given the vehicle's utilitarian nature. Technology features are minimal but functional. Basic infotainment, USB connectivity, and essential displays are expected rather than advanced digital systems. Safety features focus on core essentials such as seatbelts, basic braking assistance, and a sturdy body structure. Advanced driver aids are limited or optional. The braking system feels dependable, offering consistent stopping power under normal driving conditions. It suits the vehicle's lightweight and modest performance. Maintenance costs are likely to be low, thanks to simple mechanical components and wide service availability. This makes it attractive for budget-conscious buyers. Reliability is a key selling point, with the vehicle engineered to withstand harsh usage and varying road conditions over long periods. For rural users, the Toyota Bajaj offers dependable transportation where larger vehicles may be impractical. Its toughness and simplicity shine in such environments. Urban users will appreciate its compact footprint and low running costs. Parking and maneuvering are stress-free compared to larger vehicles. The design philosophy avoids unnecessary complexity, which helps extend the vehicle's lifespan. Fewer electronics mean fewer long-term issues. Compared to conventional small cars, the Toyota Bajaj offers greater durability and ground clearance. It sacrifices refinement for resilience. It may not appeal to buyers seeking luxury or high performance, but it excels in meeting basic transportation needs effectively. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj stands as a practical, economical, and reliable vehicle designed for everyday use. It delivers honest functionality, making it a strong choice for users who prioritize dependability over sophistication.